Motorola Moto G first generation teardown. This is a good teardown when you will finally see what is under the black panel on the rear. It can also guide you to change the battery, if needed. Smiley face. Have a nice reading. After removing the back cover, use a Torx T5 to remove all screws at the back. Use an opening tool or plastic spud to remove the outer frame. First we're going to remove the battery. Using a plastic spudger, remove the battery connector from its socket. The battery will come off the motherboard when you put a little bit of pressure under it. Don't bend the battery too much. The naked motherboard will reveal two connectors apart from the battery socket. This is the front cam. This is the digitizer, LCD flex. To remove the camera, use a pair of tweezers to remove the tape. Next, use a plastic spudger to open up the socket. Pull the camera out of the lens socket and pull so the flex will come out of its socket. To remove the LCD digitizer connection from its socket, remove the blue silicone cover. Next, use a plastic spudger to open the socket lock. Carefully remove the flex cable. Although this flex seems to exist in two parts, it's actually removable as one. Only the wide flex has to be disconnected. Now, it's only the motherboard that's left. Use a fine plastic tool to pull the main board out. There are no screws at this step. Never put too much stress on the motherboard. Find other places to put pressure if it doesn't cooperate immediately. All done. The earpiece remains in the screen assembly. Take care when removing it from the screen. Push gently on it from the screen side to lift it out.